Hello, what am I baking today? Roast turkey. You can prepare this for your Thanksgiving dinner, Christmas Eve dinner, or for your New Year Eve dinner. Very easy recipe. Simple yet delicious. Let's start to prepare our roast turkey. Preheat your oven to 365 Fahrenheit, it means 185 centigrade. Rinse the turkey and put aside. And prepare your vegetables, like a few potatoes, one or two carrots, one onion, a few cloves of garlic. Cut all of them. Get a little bit butter and a little bit olive oil, like a quarter of a small glass. We will use gelatin bag for your turkey. So take out your tray from oven, put your gelatin bag in it, a little bit flour and shake it, then put your turkey in it. After that you can start to use your vegetables, put inside and around your turkey. As you see, our butters and potatoes. Yes, you can start with onion. More onion. You can use a one whole onion too, but I cut it to get more flavor. Put your butter pieces inside and around. You can make small holes to put your butters too, or just use like me around your turkey. More potatoes. As you see, garlic. Finish everything just like this. Yeah, we put all the potatoes and a little bit olive oil top of it. Now we will close our gelatin bag. Yes, use something like this to close your gelatin bag, just like this. I'm sure you get with your gelatins or to close. Yes, now we are ready to put our turkey in the oven. This turkey was around 4.5 kilograms, so 2 hours it will be enough for us. You can use heat is little over, or your turkey may be heavier, so it may take 3 hours for you. You need to check, 1 hour later, 1.5 hours later, something like this. Let me check. It's around 120 minutes later. Looks wonderful and delicious. Smell delicious. Our turkey looks like ready. I can leave this a few more minutes, or I can take out as you see. Just rip your gelatin back with your knife. Yes, you see how it is easy to cut. I'm just cutting to show you. It didn't dry, so I'm happy with the result. I will leave this for cool a bit, but just showing you right now before cutting. Yes, our turkey is ready to cut, serve and eat. Wonderfully baked. Very easy. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Every week new videos. Bon appetit! See you next video. Bye bye!